Today, we're walking into one of the oldest markets on Earth. Take your time. Most visitors see a market, but they're actually walking through more than 600 years of living history.
Take a closer look. Every mark is made by hand. Families have passed these skills from one generation to the next. Here, tradition is still alive.
And take a slow breath. For centuries, traders from Africa, Asia, and Europe brought their treasures through these very streets. Look above you. As the sun begins to disappear, Khan El Khalili becomes even more magical. This view has welcomed travelers for centuries. Take a moment. This is El Fishawi Café. For generations, artists, writers, and travelers have gathered here to share stories over a simple cup of coffee.
Our walk ends here, but this is only one chapter of Egypt's incredible story. Thank you for walking with me. I'll see you on our next journey.